looks sick. Oh my gosh. It was definitely worth the wait. Holy Jesus. Oh my gosh, it's way taller. I'm Brittany Automotive. I am here at Custom Offsets getting my truck built with Wicked, Archon, and Mickey Thompson's. So I initially knew I wanted a Denali. I was obsessed with Denalis. I decided it was time that it needed to be taller. Custom Offsets was really my first choice. Once I started looking at everything, there was no point to go anywhere else. I mainly started with racing with my dad. Whole family drag races. It's literally all the way to my grandparents and everything. And I only really started building my truck this year.
All right, Brittany, so this is supposed to be a tow pig, right?
Yeah.
So what do you have on here now? This is like what, a 3-inch Cognito, nice leveling kit?
Yeah, just leveling kit for the most part.
So you decided that 3-inch was too easy to tow on, you want to make it harder?
Yeah, I wanted to make it 10 times harder. I definitely wanted a big lift. I didn't know how big though.
You went with a Wicked kit. This is gonna be an 8.5-inch, and I heard it's a different color. It's not the standard.
The Whirly kit under the hood is Sparkle Bomber Orange, and I did that because I like the sparkly look to it. I'm matching the hood to the kit underneath.
Look at that sparkle in that. All right, does that pass the test? Is that gonna be a good color?
Oh yeah, that looks perfect. My first Camaro that I had an orange stripe on it, and then I built a new 6th Gen Camaro that's all orange. I had to keep it orange somehow.
I got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, you do.
I'm gonna kick you out of here. You can't see this until it's all done.
I can't see it?
You can't see anything.
Okay.
Sorry.
Every minute. Go faster.
As fast as it goes. Ooh, that hurt.
Yeah, go take your ibuprofen. What finally showed up?
We have the first ever set of powder-coated Archon forged wheels in black Archon forged. You can't buy them this way. Woo. Let's go get these over by Eric.
I would not get a polished wheel on my truck. I refuse. The internet will come for me, but I don't like them. So we ended up doing the Torx, and then I did the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss. I've had them on every truck that I've owned, and honestly, I love them.
I don't appreciate that one bit. Wrong way.
Wrong way. Why didn't you tell me that? This thing leaks more than my OBS.
That's tightening. That's righty. That's righty tighty. Would you quit tightening? Wow. No leaks. Always needing help.
This cross member's been smacked off a rock or two. Big off-roader.
All right, back to figure out if Banker can figure out this thing.
It should go
Towards the diff.
this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
No, you're pushing towards the crop member.
Okay.
You're gonna get roasted on the YouTubes. But are we actually gonna get this thing done today or no?
No.
Come on
get
now.
this thing done today.
Why not?
I definitely like the SEMA truck builds that I've seen, but I only like the kind of more toned down ones. So Lacey was a good person that I looked up to. I wanted to do something close to that, but not necessarily so big that it wasn't practical to drive.
So not only do we need to get one truck done by Friday, but we have to get two. And we don't even have all the stuff back in powder coat for this bad boy yet. So main focus will be getting Brittany's truck done.
Not me trying to look through the lens reflection. Okay, look. Oh, that looks sick. Wait, that looks way better than I thought it was gonna. Oh, it looks so good. I love it. Especially with the black logos. I like the wheel and tire setup. I'm really usually picky about the sizes on them, and it's like perfect.
The 37 14.5 on the 14-inch wide wheel gives you at least a little bit of sidewall, a little protection, and then Mickey Thompson makes a great tire.
And they don't stick out as bad as I thought they were going to.
I mean, we can make them wider.
I don't want to.
I'll throw some spacers on there, get them completely outside, and get you pulled over at every state on the way home.
Thank you. Holy Jesus. Oh my gosh, it's way taller.
What do you think? Worth the wait?
I love it. Oh yeah, it was definitely worth the wait. No, this is not done. This is not done by any means. The second it gets home, I'm tearing all the chrome off.
Ball joints were bad, tie rods were bad, wheel bearings were going bad. We keep Kryptonite stock parts in stock, so you got all new Kryptonite stuff in there. Oh, diesel Caddicks! All way heavier duty than the stock stuff. Obviously, the Wicked kit, 8.5 inch with the Fox shocks. She's a beast.
I'm so excited. I love it. You killed that. Honestly, driving from Kansas, it was a 12-hour drive. I would do it a million times over. 100% worth it.